guys, welcome back to my channel. It's the girl Eyes by Fashion here with another content video, and today's video we'll be doing an unboxing for unboxing and review because I already wore these. They were a gift for my birthday and I wore them on my birthday, so yeah, but by the title you guys already know what we will be unboxing, and it is these Christian Louboutins. Now if you want to see exactly how the shoe looks and what is my take and review on the shoe, stay tuned for the rest of this video. Alright guys, so let's get right into this review, no rambling. So off rip, this is how the box, how it came in this beautiful bag, and I went to Saks and I went to the Louboutin section. These will be, I have a few other pairs of Louboutins, but these by far, baby. This is the box. Alright, I'm not doing all that. This is the dust bag. And here she is. These are the Ariza Louboutins. I got these patent leather babies. Ooh, it's a sexy shoe. She is. I already like kind of scratched right here. Sucks, but you guys see I wore them. They also come with like tabs for replacement tabs for the heel. And yeah, let's talk about, so these are done. Let's talk about the shoe, by the way. So typically these shoes are known to be one of the most uncomfortable, well, Christian Louboutin shoes are a sexy shoe, however they're known to be one of the most uncomfortable designer brand shoes, heels, period. And I can attest to that because with the other pairs of shoes that I have, these by far are the most comfortable out of all of them. And they are comfortable because they have this nice little cutout on the side, baby. This cutout does wonders, because when I say these weren't half bad to walk in versus the other guys that I have. So the other style shoe is called Private number 120. I have those in a nude patent leather color, and those I had for my graduation, college graduation, and those were fairly easy to walk in because it's a peep toe and a sling back, so your feet is able to like breathe a little bit. These guys I highly recommend because they're a lot more easier to walk in. The heel is not as high comparatively to some of their other shoes, and it's a lot easier to maneuver through. I love the pointy toe box. It gives you a nice elegant look. I love that it's patent leather because it goes with a plethora of different things, and it's black, so it can be worn as an evening shoe as well as an everyday heel. If you were to wear heels every day. I'm not wearing heels every day, but this is a great option if you did want to do that. I'm very happy I got these in black because, like I said, they're a multi-wear use shoe. The patent leather gives it that extra specialty look that you need if you were going out versus like the plain black leather. I also had tried these on, I'm gonna show you guys a video here, and like these like a sparklier texture, and they were super cute too, and I was trying to decide which one. But my amazing salesperson told me, he gave me like, you know, the different scenarios that I could wear the patent leather versus the textured sparkly one, which is more like specialty if you're trying to make a statement when you're going out, not more every day. So patent leather was great. I got those in a size 42. I am typically a size 9.5, 10. That's my true size. However, with these shoes, I highly recommend trying them on, especially because I got patent leather. I noticed in the other texture I could have gone a size and a half smaller versus these guys I had to get a 42 because I felt like the 41.5 was still a little too snug. You guys know, if you're familiar, if you're an OG subscriber, you guys know I have wide flat feet, so I don't have like a arch in my foot. So wearing heels, any type of heels, it's usually a painful experience for me after a couple of hours. But with these guys, you have to, like, I recommend trying them on because every style you may fit a different size a little differently. I know from my own experience. I'm looking at the boxes right here in front of me of the other shoes that I have from them, and I'm like a 40.5 in one, I'm a 41 in another one, now I'm a 42 in this one. So it literally all depends on the style of the shoe, the material of the shoe. Patent leather doesn't really stretch as well. You need to always go a size or a half size up. So highly recommend that. But otherwise, that is my favorite style of the Christian Louboutin shoes. Really love those. They're a lot more comfortable than the other guys, but I wouldn't say they're the most comfortable heel. That would be a complete lie. But if you are planning to purchase a pair and this is your very first pair, I highly recommend the Arizas because of that side cutout, which makes it a lot more comfortable, as well as getting a black color so you could get more cost per wear out of it. Alright, that's it for my review on the Ariza Christian Louboutin pumps. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Can't wait to see you guys in the next one. Love you guys so much. Bye.